Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today I'll show you how to set up a two-step booking form to collect customer info before showing prices. Click on Settings from the left-hand menu. Within the Settings menu, select Industries. Click on Settings again and then find Form Settings. From the options available, select the booking form you want to modify. You'll be prompted with a question. Would you like a one-step, two-step, or multi-step booking form on the customer end? Select two-step. Next, you'll see the question. Do you want customers to enter email on the first step of the booking form? Select No. Keep in mind, to capture customer information within the integrated campaign, you will need the top-tier subscription from BookingKoala. Make sure your plan supports this feature. Click on the Save button at the bottom of the page to save the changes. And that's it. Your two-step booking form is all set. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. That's all. Thank you for watching.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.